Marhaba. Today I'm going to go over the possessives. How do we do a possessive in Arabic? Um, Here you are going to see first what they are, and then we're going to put them together. We're going to use the name, my name, isme, which I'm using ism, or in Arabic, ism. So that's name. And we are going to add the possessive, saying my name, your name, his name. So ism itself is the noun, and then we're going to add the possessives. In English, as we know, we add them before the word that we are owning. In Arabic, it's actually going to go to the end. So you could see here how I have them at the end. Ism does not change because it's name. And here I'm going to add them. So my name, I'm going to look here. What is my? My is a, so is me. In Arabic, we have ism, and then we're going to add the isme, which would be the ya. Isme, isme, my name. Next thing I'm going to look at is how do I say your. Now we notice we have your in three different ways. We have your for a guy. So if you are saying your name and you are talking to a guy, you are going to say ismak. So we're going to keep the ism, and now I'm going to add the ak, or in Arabic ismak. So I would have the ma, and then I would add the ka, ismak. So the ak is for a guy. Now I need to say your name, but I'm talking to a girl. So I'm going to change this. So I still have the ism. And now I'm going to say your name to a girl, saying ismik. So the ik. And this is going to change to I, and the kaf, which is k, ismik. So if I say shu ismik, what is your name? Shu ismak, what is your name to a guy? Shu ismik, what's your name for a girl? But if I have more than one person in front of me, and I would say address them all, and I want to say, what's your name? You guys, what is your names? Your names. So now I am going to say ism kon. Ism, and I'm going to look here. What do I need to add? Kon. Ism kon. That's how I figure it out. Ism kon. That's what's your name. And in Arabic, ism, this is going to change to sukoon, ism, and then kon. And I'm going to put the on top, ism kon. Okay, isme, ismak, ismik, ism kon. So we're done with all the U's. Now I want to say our name or our names. Ismna, our name. So ism, and then I'm going to put the na, or in Arabic, ism na. That's our name. Same thing for her name. We're still going to use the ism. So you see that is not going to change. We're just adding at the end right next to it. So Now it's her name. What's his name? What's her name? His name is Ismo. His name is Ismo. Her name is Isma. So that's for a girl that you're talking about. Like her name is, his name is. You're not talking to them. When you're talking to them, you are saying using the k, the ismak, ismik, ismkon. Now we're talking about them. Ismo, isma, his name, her name. And then finally, we have ismon, which would be their name. Ismon. Now I'm doing the same thing exactly, but I'm going to choose a different noun. I'm going to, for example, use mom or brother. So how about Khay? Khay is brother. So I'm going to put Khay, and I'm going to put it all the way through. Khay. That's not going to change. Khay. Khay. And let's try an example. So I want to say Khay, and I'm going to put the ending, the possessive is going to be here at the end. And I'm going to say your brother. But this time I'm talking to a girl. Talking to a girl. What would you put? So this is number one. So I want your brother. So brother's already here. Now I'm going to add, what should I add here? Think about it. Your brother. And I'm talking to a girl. So since I'm talking to a girl, I am going to put Khayik. Khayik, your brother. Okay, next one, number two. I am going to say, what is her name? Her name. So think about this one. What's her name? So I'm going to look here. Oh, how do I say her? Oh, I need an a. Hey, not name, sorry. Her brother. Sorry, we are doing this brother. So her brother is going to be Khayya. Number three is going to be, how about their brother? What's their brother's name? So their brother. So think about that one. And we will choose number four. How about your brother? Talking to more than one person. Talking to like three people. So you're talking to several people now, and you're asking them. So their brother. What is their brother? So how do I figure this out? I go there. Brother is on Khayyon. How about your brother? And I'm talking to three people. So I'm going to look at your plural. So that would be kon. خيكون. I'll give you a couple more examples here. Let's see. We are going to choose now a different thing. For example, let's see. Let's use كتاب. كتاب is a book, right? كتاب. And now I want to say your book. Talking to a girl. Or to a boy. How about to a guy? I'm talking to a guy. So I'm going to say your book talking to a guy. So that would be a you masculine. You're masculine. So I will put كتابك. Now I write كتاب again, which means book again. كتاب, and this time I am going to say our book. What do I need for our book? Our, oh, it's na. So I'll just add na. كتابنا. How about her book? So I'm going to put كتاب again. That's not going to change. So we're just adding it at the end. And now I am going to say her book. Oh, it's a. So I'll just add a here. And that would be her book. I hope this helped. That's how we do the possessives in Arabic. مع السلامة.